Good afternoon, dear colleagues and guests. My name is Sienna, and today I want to talk to you about our planet, which hides incredible natural phenomena that look like computer graphics or a science fiction movie. This article contains 5 amazing and unreal places on Earth that amaze even the most experienced travelers and make them wonder if such things are possible in nature. Are you ready? Let's go! In Colombia, a river of 5 colors has bloomed to admire the unique spectacle. So many people come that local authorities were forced to limit the number of visitors. The River of the Canyon Crystals is included in the list of natural heritage. Strictly guarded, it is forbidden to cook, to make fires. The river in Colombia was painted in bright colors: red, yellow, green, blue, and black. This is an annual phenomenon that begins in mid-May and reaches its peak twice, on June and November. The rest of the year, the Cano Crystals is gray-green. The locals have nicknamed the color-changing river the Rainbow River and the 5-color river. The reason for the river's unusual color in the Serranía de la Macarena National Park is algae. In fact, the rainbow-like appearance is caused by plants that live deep beneath the water's surface. The water is almost distilled with no salts or minerals, which is why there are almost no fish in it during the rainy season. The water flows too quickly, and the sun's rays do not have enough time to interact with the plants. During the dry season, the river has limited water supply, forcing the plants to struggle for survival. However, during the off-season, Macarenia clavigera thrives and captivates the attention of numerous tourists. Our next trip is to the Maldives. Thanks to bioluminescent phytoplankton, the beach in the Maldives turns into a sea of stars. How to see the sea of stars? Have you ever dreamed of swimming in a real sea of stars? This is a phenomenon, and believe me, it's even more breathtaking in person than it is in photos. One night, standing on the beach, you can observe the waves shimmering with an unreal blue glow. Waving your fingers in the water created ethereal ripples. This is the magic of bioluminescence, a spectacle that turns the night sea into a miracle. Do you know what the Sea of Stars is? The Sea of Stars is not a real place, but a phenomenon of bioluminescence caused by marine microorganisms called phytoplankton. These tiny organisms emit light when disturbed, creating a mesmerizing blue glow that illuminates the coastline. The glow is most visible at night, especially in areas with minimal light pollution, making the Maldives an ideal location to witness this natural spectacle. It can be observed throughout the Maldives and has even been spotted on the main island of Mail, but it is most commonly seen on the island of Vadhu. Why does it glow? Phytoplankton emits light as a defense mechanism to deter predators. When the water is disturbed by waves, fish, or human footprints, the phytoplankton lights up, creating a stunning visual effect. The warm, clear waters of the Maldives provide an ideal environment for these organisms to thrive, resulting in frequent and vibrant displays of bioluminescence. Bioluminescence can be observed throughout the year. Pamukkale, Snow White Terraces. Pamukkale Cotton Castle is a unique, natural, and cultural UNESCO site in southwestern Turkey, Denizli province. It consists of snow-white travertine terraces formed by thermal springs rich in calcium. Visitors can walk along the White Mountains and visit the ruins of the ancient resort town of Hierapolis. Pamukkale is a unique geological phenomenon, a snow-white cotton castle, which perfectly describes the appearance of this place. For thousands of years, hot springs saturated with calcium have formed these multi-level pools in which the ancient Romans bathed. The water in the springs has a temperature of about 36 degrees Celsius all year round and is rich in magnesium, calcium, and bicarbonate. The snow-white terraces of Pamukkale seem to be made of ice, but in fact they are made of limestone deposits. Hot springs rich in calcium have created these stepped pools for thousands of years. The ancient Romans used to bathe in these springs. The water in the springs is about 36 degrees Celsius. all year round and is rich in magnesium, calcium, and bicarbonate. The snow-white terraces of Pamukol look like they're made of ice, but they're actually made of limestone deposits. The hot springs, which are rich in calcium, have been creating these step-like pools for thousands of years. Today, it's one of the most popular tourist attractions in Turkey. Bathing in such baths is pleasant and healthy, but you need to be careful. You can only walk on the snow-white deposits without shoes. The surface is slippery, so it's better to wear socks or clean rubber shower shoes. The geological history of the Rub Al Khali is a journey from the seabed and flourishing savannas to the largest sand sea on Earth. The formation of this region was shaped by tectonic processes, monsoon climate cycles, and wind activity. Ancient origins. From the ocean to the basin. Millions of years ago, the area that is now the desert was covered by the waters of the Persian Gulf. Over time, the water receded, leaving behind a low-lying sedimentary basin. The desert is located in a giant trough basin on the Arabian Plate. The foundation of this basin goes back to the Precambrian period, and the depth of some of the rift structures under the sands reaches 13 kilometers. The modern desert began to form actively more than 2 million years ago. The bulk of the sand, consisting of 80 to 90% quartz, was formed by the weathering of Miocene sandstones and ancient alluvial river deposits. The reddy orange hue of the dunes is caused by iron oxide-coated feldspar. Grains. The main architect of the landscape is the Shamal wind. It is this wind that has formed giant linear dunes up to 200 kilometers long and up to 250 meters high. The era of Green Arabia. Contrary to its current appearance, the Rub Al Khali has been transformed into a fertile region several times due to the strengthening of the Indian monsoons. Scientists identified two main periods of lake formation, approximately 37,000 to 17,000 years ago, and a later period of 10,000 to 5,000 years ago. During these eras, the region was home to deep lakes up to 42 meters deep, and extensive river systems. Sedimentary deposits and fossil finds hippopotamuses, buffaloes, and longhorned oxen confirm that the desert was covered with grass and resembled the modern African savanna, the final transformation into a desert. About 5,000 to 6,000 years ago, the rains stopped abruptly. A period of desiccation began, the lakes dried up, leaving behind solid deposits of calcium carbonate, gypsum, and clay, which today are found between the dunes. People and large animals were forced to leave the region, and the sands finally took over. Did you know that there is a rainbow mountain in Peru? I encourage you to take advantage of this opportunity and join me on an adventure to the Rainbow Mountain in Peru. Many people are curious about the colors of the Rainbow Mountain. Peru, a country known for its rich history and breathtaking landscapes, it is home to a geological wonder that has recently captured the hearts of travelers from around the world. The Rainbow Mountain, also known as the Winnie-Kunka Mountain, this kaleidoscopic wonder hidden in the Andes, is a testament to the Earth's craftsmanship and attracts intrepid explorers who seek to witness its vibrant colors and awe-inspiring panoramas. Millions of years ago, the area where Rainbow Mountain, or Winnie-Kunka Rainbow Mountain now stands, was at the bottom of ancient oceans and rivers. These bodies of water carried minerals and sediments, which slowly settled, forming layers over time. Each type of sediment contained different minerals, giving each layer its unique color. According to the Geological Society of Peru, each color band is associated with a specific mineral composition. Red and pink shades are formed by argillites and iron oxide, green and turquoise by copper-urge clays, yellow and golden by lamanite, and white by sandstone. When you first see a photo of Winnie-Kunka, also known as the Rainbow Mountain in Peru, it may seem like it has been photoshopped, but these vibrant bands of turquoise, lavender, red, violet, and gold are real. You are probably wondering how this natural wonder came to be. Rainbow Mountain in Peru, also known as Winnicunca, is the fastest growing tourist attraction in Peru. The mountain is made up of 14 different colored minerals and was not visible until 2013, as it was constantly covered in snow. In addition to its stunning beauty, Rainbow Mountain has a sacred meaning in Inca mythology, symbolizing the spiritual connection between humanity and the natural world. Snowfall on the mountain is not common, but it can occur during the passage of cold fronts, especially during the rainy season or during the coldest winter months. A small amount of snow can transform the landscape and enhance the experience, but heavier snowfall can quickly change the condition of the trails and visibility. The Rainbow Mountains in Peru have existed for a long time, but it wasn't until 2015 that people discovered the most significant feature of these mountains. It was then that the snow, which had hidden the secret of the mountain and its rainbow-colored stripes for thousands of years, melted due to climate change. This layering is due to atmospheric effects and mineral deposits. Each layer has its own dominant mineral. This is how the region of Cusco suddenly discovered that it has another world-class attraction to add to its already long list. The Rainbow Mountains are dozens of kilometers of colorful hills and mountain peaks. Winnicunca Rainbow Mountain in the original Winnicunca Rainbow Mountain, which has a length of about 700 meters and most vividly demonstrates a layered multicolored structure. In the local Quechua language, Winnicunca means rainbow mountain or rainbow-colored mountain, located at an altitude of over 5,000 meters. 16,000 feet. Rainbow Mountain is one of nature's masterpieces. The mountain's slope resembles a colossal canvas adorned with mineral deposits that create a surreal array of colors. The vibrant colors, ranging from deep reds and greens to rich blues and yellows, are a result of the region's unique geological composition. The first tours of the Rainbow Mountains began in January 2016. The tourist route is designed to ensure that visitors do not enter the mountain itself, as it is forbidden to disturb the natural formations. The journey to the Rainbow Mountain begins in Cusco, the historical capital of the Inca Empire. Climbing to the summit is a challenging but rewarding adventure that testifies to the resilience of those who dare to undertake such a feat high altitude. One of the most magical experiences on Rainbow Mountain is witnessing the sun rise over a surreal landscape. As the first rays of sunlight pierce through the fresh mountain air, the colors of the mountains come to life in a breathtaking display. The play of light and shadow on the mineral-rich slopes creates a dynamic and ever-changing visual spectacle. In conclusion, Rainbow Mountain in Peru is a testament to the artistic prowess of the earth, a geological masterpiece that beckons intrepid travelers to embark on a journey of discovery. The landscapes here are truly alien and so diverse that you can't get enough of them. There are striped colored mountains, red mountains, huge mountains with snow-capped peaks, a stone forest, and rocks of various colors. Stone forest and stones of all kinds of colors. At the same time, there are almost no people. Rainbow Mountain is a testament to the fragile yet enduring wonders of our planet.